to Dee's Plantation in Grand Bay, Alabama. My favorite feature of this home is the gorgeous double tray ceiling in the dining room, living room, and in the primary suite. This home features 4 bedrooms with 3 full baths. I love the gourmet kitchen with the gas stovetop, farm-style sink, stainless steel appliances, overlooking the living area and the back porch. It's almost 3,000 square feet. There isn't any carpet in this house. It's luxury vinyl plank throughout. Here you have a Jack and Jill bedroom with a bedroom on one side, the bathroom in the middle, and then another bedroom on the other side. This vanity area is separate from the shower and the water closet, so you can have more privacy. One person can brush their teeth and do their makeup while another person's in the shower. This is super convenient for siblings. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I got you covered. I list and sell properties in Mobile and Baldwin County. Let me show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. 251-234-9919. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Don't forget, anytime you visit a new construction community, make sure you let them know that you're working with Frankie Wink. You deserve a buyer's agent working for your best interests. And the best part is, the builder pays my compensation. So you get the best of both worlds. I know what you're thinking. Will you get a better deal if you don't use a buyer's agent? Absolutely not. New construction homes are priced to sell. The prices have to remain the same for the other homes in that same community to appraise for their sale price. That's why builders offer incentives. Call today for the current incentives. Incentives like interest rate buy down, the builder contributing towards your buyer's closing costs. These are ways to save you money without affecting the appraisal value of the homes. Call today for a list of the current incentives, 251-234-9919. You wouldn't walk into a courtroom without an attorney. Don't sign a legal contract without your buyer's agent. I can show and sell you any real estate in Mobile or Baldwin County. Builders agents can only show their builders' homes. Are you just curious to see where you might want to move? Call me. Let's talk strategy to figure out how and when to get you in your next dream home. Wow, what a backyard.